Can you use Google Shopping for Amazon? No, you can't. But Google Shopping is actually awesome. So what's an alternative? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own Amazon business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you personally with them. Can you use Google Shopping with Amazon? No, you cannot, is the short answer to that. And the reason for that is that to use Google Shopping, you must be able to put a Google tag onto, not only onto the buy page, so that's a buy page, so you need to be able to put a Google tag on that page, but also you need to be able to put a Google tag onto what's called the success page, which is the page what you land on when you've paid your money. It's like the thank you for doing business with us, here's your receipt. It's that page, the success page. Your customer has successfully purchased your product, okay? So for Google Shopping, you need to be able to put a tag onto both of those pages. Amazon, of course, owns this website, and Jeff will not let us put a tag anywhere on his website, and so therefore you're unable to use Google Shopping to run any advertisements, okay, which is a shame because it's really, really good. So a simple way to not get round that, but a different way to think about it, is to do what people like SkinCeuticals do. So what they do is they are using other platforms to sell their product on. So this one, for instance, Farmy, well, that's like an Amazon, but within that skincare niche. It allows you to put your products onto it. There's lots of little Amazons, yeah? Allows you to put your products onto it, and then you can do that, and they will let you do that. So you just have to find your version of that within your particular niche. Or the better option, of course, is to get your own website set up whereby you can then control what happens on your website, and you can put a Google tag, indeed a Facebook tag, any kind of tag, all over your website, and that way you'll get access to things like Google Shopping, which is, again, really a very, very good. And look at the information that Google Shopping has here. So it's got a title, a price, brand name, and ratings, exactly like Amazon. These are the things that make the most difference to sales and click-throughs. That's what matters. Title, price, brand, ratings. They're the things that really matter. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!